welcome back. And how are we doing today? How's everything going for you? All well? Hmm? Okay, so uh, let's do a quick recap on whatever we have learned so far. All right. So we learned what are all the challenges, what are our growth blockers to start this or to start this journey of knowledge giving, being in this journey of knowledge giving. Whatever are our growth blockers, we have looked at them, and we have also looked them on how to overcome those growth blockers, right? Then we looked at a change of game plan, which is using the online space for sharing our knowledge with the world. We looked at the success blueprint in the internet age, which is all about 8 pieces of the digital puzzle fitting at the right place, which makes up the 5 pillars of success, massive success in the online space, which is traffic generation, list building, copyright conversion, copywriting, and tribe building, right? Then we also looked at the $1 million strategy or the game plan that all knowledge givers must apply. And for that, it is very important that you have your unique positioning, which is identification of your niche and validation of your niche. Very important to create your digital factory or the digital estate and own a lot of digital estate by having lots and lots of subscribers in your list and customers which you generate online, right? And we looked at all what are the tools that you need to create your digital estate. Then the next step is building your influence online. For that, we looked at the strategy, how you build your influence, leveraging your existing network by giving them daily dose of information, which must have a heart story and the knowledge that you want to share on whatever topic. For example, if I say that what are the skills needed for an entrepreneur, I can just say top 3 skills an entrepreneur needs in current timelines and just do a 5-minute video or a 10-minute video on that topic. And then my next topic could be my heart story is how I turned from an employee to an entrepreneur. And then my podcast could be on what are the top skills to focus on 2020 and beyond for an entrepreneur, right? And then it could be what makes an entrepreneur, what are the do you have the characteristics of an entrepreneur. All these can become the knowledge sharing sessions, right? And then I can just say learnings from my business, learning from my IT business, learning from my retailing business. These can all become my pre-framing content where I share my knowledge and get people interested in my offerings, so they want to know more about how I can empower them to become entrepreneurs, or if they're already in business, how I can help them grow in their business, right? So this is how it is, how all this building your influence is all about, right? Then we looked at the 4 stages of sales, which should be a serving strategy, which is having a lead magnet in the form of a webinar, and then a tripwire, which is a level 1 course, not exceeding more than 30 minutes per day, 3-day course, so 1.5 hour kind of a course, conceptual course, where you give them a glimpse of your offering. All implementation that you want to do happens in level 2, which is your core product. And then profit maximizer is one-to-one coaching, group coaching, or consulting. Makes sense? This is the various stages of customer journey with you, and for a successful sales model where you can start making good money, right? This is funnel. I remember I spoke about the marketing funnel, the sales. This is the sales and marketing funnel. This is how you create a funnel. All right. And then we looked at what is the minimum spend, that minimum budgeting spend. I don't want to use the word spend because we are not spending. It's not an expense. It's an investment in the business. Tools are your employees, right? So digital employees, right? Very powerful tool. They do much more than employees. The normal an average salary is 15,000, 20,000, right? These tools are, you're getting few tools in 10K per month. 2-3 tools you can get in 10,000 per month. So it's a no-brainer to invest in the tools. Okay. So your website is very important, and a one-time cost, that is one-time cost. And then your Facebook ad and campaigns, these are recurring costs for you depending on how much you want to invest, right? So this is all, I hope I have given great clarity in the whole journey, right? And your expense and the money involved, right? Funds involved, not expenses, investment. So the key here is whenever you are taking out money from your pocket, you always have to think whether it's an expense or an investment. And when you take that call, whether it's an expense or an investment, you will make the right decision. Okay, and that's very important. Right, you go and party with your friend, you spend 5,000 rupees, right? But you are buying a course in 5,000 rupees which you can use, your children can use, your family can use, and if you have friends who are who can make website for use, you sit with them and use it, is a expense for you. I really don't understand that logic. So and when we go for programs, right, whatever we have learned, we attended live and it's all gone, right? But with the digital thing, you own it lifetime, right? You keep looking at it, keep listening to it, keep reusing it in your friend circle. And though there are some limitations on IP on the tool and stuff like that, but just buy one course and you're empowering the entire family. And even if your vendors will know exactly what they need to do for you when they go and look at that course, right? So up to you whether you see it as a spend, expense, or an investment, right? So now this session is all about what is your journey ahead, what are the next steps, right? How you take this forward. All right, so let me show you what. So there are two stages here. Okay, the first stage is getting your foundations right? So to some extent, in this series, I have shown you the path, right? I've shown you why you need to do, why you have to choose this vehicle, right? If you're a knowledge giver, this is a successful model. A lot of people are earning a lot of money. You can go and check out Hall of Fame video on YouTube, where my mentor with his model Siddharth, many people making 3 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Though I don't have a personal success story, because as I've been saying, I'm not an expert in this space, right? I'm just hand holding people in this space, because I myself have gone through this journey. Going through this journey, I'm few steps ahead of you, and I can hand hold you, right? So that is the reason I'm doing this. So and it is very, very important that I help you when I am in that stage, because once I cross this stage, I will be done with this and I will not be doing this anymore, right? So let's look at what is your next steps, how your journey looks ahead, right? The first stage is getting your foundation right? So there is free method and there is paid method. Whatever I discussed with you, free method, you've got a lot of insights, keywords. You can do a Google search, go and look at YouTube videos free if you have time, if money is a challenge, and explore and come up with your own game plan, right? This is the order. You find it on your own and do it. Or you can opt for a paid method, which is more systematic, structured, sequential learning, which I give as a 3-day paid course, right? See, you guys understand there's a lot of investment, time and effort and learnings. I have spent a lot of money to learn all these things, right? So and there is an energy exchange that happens, right? Money is a form of energy exchange. So either you could the free method is more unstructured learning, ad hoc learning, and overwhelming content, too much content, and you can spend hours on one topic and finally come out nothing out of, and you feel that you didn't learn anything, right? Whereas in the paid method, you have a systematic, structured, sequential learning, and super powerful learnings. Okay, no gimmicks here, right? So there are programs where people pay 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh, and don't learn anything, where you are learning this in few thousands, right? These are very powerful learning, guys, right? So I have created a Go Digital Foundation course, which you have to finish within 3 days. Okay, so if you are interested in this course, maybe I'll give you the link below in the comment box, and you can go and buy this course. So you get your foundations right, have it, whatever. I'm sharing everything free as well, okay? Because I understand people have their own set of challenges when it comes to money. So I'm not judging anyone here. I am just giving you an opportunity. If you think you can afford this, I have a special offer for all of you guys. All that will be given in the link below. You can go and check out the price, and you can go that way. If time is important for you, if money is important for you, then go the free way. Okay, that's the stage 1, the getting your foundation right? The stage 2 is implementing of your digital systems, right? So you learned what are the tools you have to use. Now how to use those tools, how to configure those tools, how the tools will talk to each other, setting up all the systems. Again, there is a free way, which free method, do it yourself, where all the names of the tools are there. If not, check out in vandanamehrotra.com/resources.html. all the tools are listed there. I will also be giving the links to the tools here below in the description, in the after the video, which are my affiliate accounts. And if you want to explore those tools, I request you to please use my affiliate accounts as a thank you. I'll be very grateful for you going through that path. Okay. And you know, where what you need to give is a lot of time every day, 2 hours to 3 hours of effort and focus. Okay. And it is a journey of 6 to 12 months if you want to do it all by yourself. Okay. So I am sharing with you what is it that you need to do, right? You need to learn all these, find all these course things on Google, YouTube, or buy some course on Udemy, 4.99 and all. Learn it on your own, spend time learning. Then you have to set up your website as your home office. You have to set up your learning management system, Teachable or other, the LearnDash. There are many. Okay, you can do a learning management system. Google will give you a list. Email marketing system, you can pick up GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, whatever you feel. But whatever I am suggesting here, these are tried, tested after researching many tools and spending money on other tools, and then finally coming up with these tools as powerful tools, easy tools. The reason I chose some tools are they are very simple, they are easy to use, they are very effective, and the company has some credibility, right? So for me, it's very important that the learning curve is less, right? So these are the tools that you need to set up your email marketing system, which is Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, as I said, or your webinar system, Zoom, Webinar, Jam, Demio, right? Payment gateways, InstaMojo. So there's a learning curve to all these tools. And then you have to connect all these systems together. So you can do it if really money is a challenge for you, then your journey expects 6 to 12 months of time frame, where dedicatedly every day you're putting minimum 2 hours of effort, because each tool will have a learning curve and then implementation of that, right? So unless you are dedicatedly putting time and effort in that direction, you will not be able to move ahead in the journey. So it's important that you do focus, plan it in your day and learn all these things on your own and do it, right? So level 1 course creation will take you another 20 to 30 days. I discussed how you can create the level 1 course, right? So in that you have to do video recording. You can use your laptop, get that webcam and audio, and for the audio get Rode mic, and you have to do video editing. You have to either outsource it or learn on your own. There are, even on phone, the video editing happens very fast. Then uploading your courses in learning management system, creating product in the payment gateway for people to make payment. Then you have to do creatives and boxes, 3D boxes. So all of this setup will take you around 20 to 30 days. And webinar readiness preparation. What do you need for webinar? You will have to do Facebook ads. You have to learn how to do Facebook ads. Then you have to learn how to do webinar selling. Then you have to create a webinar slide deck. You have to create a product stack, bonuses and offers, right? All this will take about 30 to 45 days. All right. So this is how, and your first sales webinar can happen anywhere between 6 to 12 months, depending upon how you find this system easy to learn or difficult to learn. What's the timeline of your learning curve? But that's the timeline you must expect and be ready for to invest in if you want to go the free way, right? Where there is some financial constraints and you just have time but you don't have money, but you are willing to give your time and focus. That's the way. All right. But someone who is an action taker, who wants fast forward mode, want everything within 3 months or less than 3 months, then there is an alternate way, right? I have created a Grow Digital Setup course, which is a 30-day challenge, where you can step by step, each systems are taught on how you can set up all these systems step by step. You can do it in less than 30 days also. Okay, all systems, structured learning, right? Sequential, structured, systematic learning, where step by step you are taught how to do all of these. You do it on your own only still. Okay. And the price and all is always, for prices and all on the digital course, it's available on my learning management hub. If you're interested, message me. I will give you a discounted price link, and you can procure that and start your fast forward your journey in the speaking space. Now there is a super fast method also, expressway method, right? What is that? Now you understand what you must know. I have taught you all of it. If you go through my level 1 course and this video itself and that Grow Digital course, you will understand as a business owner what you need to understand. You will understand, so you can make smart choices and decisions in future, right? Now, by consciously you say, I know how all these things work now, but I don't have time to invest in doing all these things. I don't want to set up systems. I don't want to create my website. I just want everything to be outsourced. Somebody does everything for me, and all I want to do is just focus on content research, curriculum design of my course, recording of the courses, because that only you can do, nobody else can do for you, right? And uploading your courses in LMS, that someone else can do, but it's important that you do it, and it's easy, okay, once you learn it. And influence building, because you have to generate leads, no, traffic generation. So that is what only you can do. You can't outsource that, right? Because you have to come on video, you have to write the blog and all you can outsource, but those are at later stages. And I'm saying the choice is yours, whether you want to be on your own, or you want to have dependency on others for your work. So there is a fast forward expressway method also, right? And how much money you need to spend on all of this. See, if you go lump sum one shot, if you give a lot of work, prices come down, right? My tech partner is there. We can work out a great pricing if you want to completely outsource everything, and you just want to focus on your course creation, curriculum design, content research, and building your influence. So because we all have limited time, no, in a day. Now if this is a side hustle for you, or going to job and doing all this, it will take time. We should accept the fact, right? Be in acceptance of the fact that it will take time. As far as I am concerned, I am doing this full time, and it takes time. Okay, content creation, any creation takes time. Okay, so up to you. If you have some money to shell out, I think the price range I've already given in the one of the sessions above, right? It will not be not much. It's not, see, when I started this journey, when I wanted somebody to do, I understood everything, okay, I understood the concept, but I didn't want to do it myself. I wanted to focus on my course. But that time my mentor was not willing to he was not willing to do all this. He did give a proposal which was like 2.5 lakh for doing all of this, and it was a lot of money. So that time I didn't want to invest that much, because I'd already invested like so much of money in my programs, courses, and doing those preview seminars, that was too much for me. So he had given the option, I'll teach, or do it on your own, or you can, if you don't want to do, outsource. But I figured I found a tech partner and I got it done from him. There was a learning curve for him. Whatever, I'm a value buyer, or I always try to do things at the least possible cost. And then now my mentor is offering all of that which I wanted 2 years back. So this is one way, right? You outsource completely your web systems, everything you outsource. You understand what it is, okay? You can still have the setup course, you go through it, but you don't spend time doing it because time is limited, and in that time you want to create your curriculum because you want to be in the early adopter stage, right? So I discussed about the early adoption, right? Whenever technology is coming and whenever this revolution happens, there are people who are innovators who actually create that, then people who are early adopters, and then the rest of the people follow, right? The laggards, who come in the later stage. Don't be laggards, because what happens is, see, when initially 4 years back videos were less, so every video that you create was being watched. Now if you look at the number of every 40-second a video is being uploaded to YouTube, so how will people find you, right? So all this, whatever strategy I discussed, is in-trend strategy, and it's time to apply now. So time is important, right? You trade your time for money, or you trade your money for money, right? So it depends on you, what is important for you. If you want to start being an early adopter and start doing these courses and start monetizing your learnings, then you have to take that call, right? So this is a super fast mode, which is expressway, where you can outsource whatever needs to be outsourced, and you just focus on what you only can do. So I think that's all I had to offer in this session today. And the whole journey I have explained, I think, very clearly. So now you know that what are the various what I have given you the complete picture on how all these things work, right? Now it's up to you to go ahead and take this journey or not. It's a very easy journey. It may look overwhelming right now to you guys, but trust me, once you do it, it's easy. Okay, and I'm here to help you out if you want to go on this journey ahead with me. All I want to say is you can do it. Okay, you can do it. You must do it. Okay, be of service to the world. Okay, keep growing, keep evolving, and that's all I have for today. And maybe you may want to watch my videos on what you can expect in the courses in detail, and what are the pricing and everything. It's a sales pitch basically. So if you want to go ahead with me, you can watch my video on why move ahead on this journey, and what it takes to be on that journey. All right, guys, thank you for giving me an opportunity to serve you, and I hope you receive massive value from these sessions. Please share in the comment box below. Please keep sharing. It makes me feel good, and I feel that whatever time I'm investing is worth, because somebody is benefiting from it. All right, so I'll see you soon, and you take care. Keep growing, keep evolving. Don't give up on speaking and inspiring the world. Take care.